In today's video, I will discuss about the Microsoft stock, how it performed in the last 1 year, 5 year, and all time. So if you see the graph of last 1 year, you will see that this stock was in uptrend for many of the time. After that, a solid profit booking is seen from this point to this point. After that, the stock is in uptrend again. So even if you see, the stock has given a very good return of around 264% in the last 5 years. So this is very good return for a market cap of 3 lakh cr. So if you see the P ratio is of around 36 and the dividend yield is of 0.74%. Now let us discuss how it performed in the last 5 years. If you see the graph, you will see that the stock was in upper trend for almost this point, and after that a solid profit booking is seen from this point to this point. After that, the graph chart is similar to 1 year graph chart pattern, if you can see it. Now let us discuss how it performed in the last decade. So if you see this graph, you will see that this stock has performed so well that it has given a return of around 403,960%. What a return it was! It just multiply and money by almost 4039 times. So it has given very good return if someone has invested it around its IPO price. Its IPO listing price was of around 0.10 USD. So you can see it carefully that this graph from here to here is an exponential. After that, huge growth is seen in this stock, and the stock just multiply the investors amount by X times. So if someone has invested in this stock in 2022, that the stock was given a return for around 1745%. If someone has invested it around 2007, then the stock was given a return of around 1 to something percent, and 1 to 57% exactly. And if someone has invested in this stock around 2000, then he gets a money double by almost 38-39%. Now let us see how it performed for last 10 years. So if you see the graph for the last 10 years, you will see that this stock has multiplied the money by almost 97 times. So the it has given a return for around 971%. So if you carefully look at the financials, then you will see that this stock has already given a massive income growth in the net income, as well as a massive growth in the revenue section also. So if you look at last 1 year diagram, then you will see that the net income in December quarter was decreases by 12%, but in March quarter it was increases for almost 9%, and in June quarter it was increased for almost 19.96%, and in September quarter it was increased for almost 26%. So a growth is seen in the net income, as well as if you see the revenue growth, then you will see that revenue is constantly grown in this stock. In December 2022 quarter, the revenue was increased for almost 1.97%, where in March quarter the revenue was increased for 7.08%. In the June quarter, it was increased for almost 8%, while in the this quarter, that is in September 2023 quarter, the stock revenue is increased for 12%. So first it is increased for 1%, then 7, then 8, and then 12. So it is a constantly in growth position.